Hey guys, welcome back to Urban Rhino Tutorials. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a name keychain. This particular one is going to have a cheer theme as well as a little tassel on it. Before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to our channel if you don't already. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below if you have any questions. So let's get going. So to begin, I'm going to create the tassel component first. So I have a tassel here. This is just a pre-made one. If you do not have that, something else you could use is like rope that is a type of rope that's like twisted so that it could easily fray if you wanted to do that. I'm going to actually use the tassel for this particular one. So what I'm gonna do, I have my hot glue gun already heated up, and I'm gonna use this end cap that has a little loop here that I'll connect the keychain hook onto. And what I wanna do is I wanna grab these with my pliers. When you put the hot glue into the cap, it's obviously, because it's metal, it's gonna get hot and you're gonna burn your fingers if you're not careful. So I'm grabbing a hold of the little hook or loop at the end with the pliers. I'm gonna squirt some hot glue in here. And then I'm going to put the tassel inside. You can also create your own tassel if you don't know or don't have access to one that's pre-made. So I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm just gonna set it to the side and let it cool down. And I'm going to start assembling the rest of the keychain. So I have these little washers. They are engraved with the word cheer around them. So we're gonna use that. I have a key ring here and the keychain hook. And then I'm also using 1 millimeter leather. Actually, this is waxed cotton cord. You can get leather too. So this is 1 millimeter. 2 millimeter will work as well. I've just found that the 2 millimeter is a little harder to get the letter beads that I'm going to use through them. So I've switched to the 1 millimeter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about a foot, 12 to 14 inches of the cotton cord, and I've just doubled it over. So I just folded it over, and I'm going to take the loop and put it through the little washer like that. I'm going to take the two ends of my cord and put them back through the loop like that, and then just pull it tight. So now I have that part connected. What I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna start putting the letter beads on to spell out the name. I'm gonna put Vivian on here. And once I get these letters on, I'm just going to make a knot at the end. So I'm going to take the two cords, loop them around both of my fingers, my two fingers here, and I'm going to take the ends and tuck them through. So it just makes a knot. So just like that. And then before I pull it tight, I want to try to move or maneuver that loop, the knot part, down, you know, as close to these letters as I can get. And then I'm just going to tie that. Okay. And you want to do that one more time so that depending on the letter beads that you're using, if you're using the smaller 6 millimeter ones, or 5 millimeter, they have those as well, you will only need to do one knot. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is trim this off, but I like to leave a little bit of it, kind of like little tails, about 1 inch or so. So I have that part. From here, I'm going to grab a jump ring. You can use whatever size you want. The one I'm using is about a little less than 1/4 of an inch. I'm gonna open up the jump ring, and I'm going to grab my tassel that I created and put the jump ring on, through that little loop. And I'm just going to hook that onto the washer. And then from here, I'm going to close this up. Okay, so now I have this cute little tassel and her name on there. And then all that's left to do is open the key ring and slip the keychain component on. And then I'm gonna slide all of that onto the washer, twist it around, and there you go. Very simple. Takes all of maybe 5 minutes to complete from start to finish, and they are super cute. I made these for my daughter's cheer team and they love them. And you could certainly customize them. So you could pick whatever color, a school color, a team color. You can get these little washers that have different words on them. You could also hang a charm off of it. So if your child played soccer, for instance, and you wanted to hang a soccer charm on there, you could do that as well. So pretty simple. Like I said, if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. If you have questions about where to get supplies. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.